Hello, in this video we'll take a look at our publisher improvements within Vertex BD 2025. If we go to the File menu and Export, we have the publisher here. With it now open, let's go through our latest improvements we've made. In this section, in the bottom right of the publisher window, we can provide default properties for each of the file types we are publishing. This means that you no longer need to make these properties one by one. So here, we have a PDF file. Let's save this as a default. Now, when I make another PDF file, the publisher keeps the default settings I've saved for use when I publish PDFs again. You can create, amend, and delete properties as required, but the property file name cannot be removed. Default properties are available for all file types you would like to publish and can be customized to suit your business needs. Let's add a new property here. Within our latest version of Vertex BD, we have made the drop-down list alphabetical order. This makes it easy to find things you would like to add properties-wise quickly and efficiently when adding new properties to files you are publishing. If you add a new file, for example, to this set of files where you have selected within your file stack, your new file will be inserted beneath. No longer does it go to the bottom of the file stack. You also have the ability to alter the stack order by right-clicking and selecting Move Up and Down, which is helpful if you would like to rearrange your stack order before publishing and makes managing your publisher stacks easier. Let's have a look at our construction drawing sets. As you can see, we now have expandable and collapsible sections within our sets to enable ease of navigation through your publisher file stacks. You can also save your stacks with these sections collapsed or expanded, and it will save your publisher stack like that for when you next come to use it. All of these features make managing your publishing quicker, easier, and provide you with a more user-friendly experience.